check what is this side. I think this is for my standing, camera standing and light. This is it. It's so beautiful. 2-in-1. So we are going to check it. This is how it look like. This is the back and this is the front. So we are going to open it. I have come with scissors, so let me just open it because it was very difficult for me to open. So let's open it and let's see what we have here. I think this is the standing, the light standing, so small. Okay, this is the standing. So we are going to try it later. Keep it and let's see the main light, because the standing comes with light. So this is the light. Wow. So this is the light. This is the nut to peel it. Phone holder. This is the phone holder here. So I think it's finished. One later. Another one here. So we are going to set it. So this is how it comes, and it also have a USB charger and the remote. So we are going to try it. We have many colors. So the last and not the least here is camera standing and also phone standing. You can use it for phone and you can also use it for camera. So let's see the inside. I hope I bought well.
I hope too.
Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. This is how it look like. Wow, this is it, guys. So beautiful, so amazing. So this is it. I think this is for camera. I don't know, but we have to see. After everything, we have set everything so that you guys can see. This is it. It's so beautiful. It comes with charger. We have the charger pin here and the little manual. So we are going to use the manual to set it. And this is the standing. Take here. No, from here. I think this is the standing. So we are going to set it later. So this is all for this leg light and standing camera. So later we are going to check how they are doing it.
Now we're going to go with the next pack.
Looks so beautiful.